हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। सो मिस्टर CNB सर, उनकी तरफ से इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट है BFS गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। सो दिस इज़ द लेटेस्ट अपडेट न्यूज़ फॉर द ऑल द बैंक पेंशनर्स एंड काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट कवरेज है फ्रेंड्स। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू शेयर दिस अपडेट मैक्सिमम एंड यहाँ पे चैनल को फ्रेंड्स सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड अपकमिंग अपडेट्स के लिए। तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब अस so that the notification reaches to you in a seconds जब भी वीडियो यहाँ पे हम लॉन्च करें। सो यहाँ पे देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स क्या इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है फ्रॉम मिस्टर CNB। सो लास्ट वीक वी हैव हर्ड दैट दे वर नॉट फिजिकली फिट। सो उनकी तरफ से ये अपडेट आया है। सो हम आशा करते हैं ही इज़ डूइंग नाउ द गुड। So Mr. CNB sir doing the best for entire बैंक pensioners fraternity। So उनकी तरफ से एक अनदर अपडेट है मिस्टर CNB फॉर्मर इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया नॉमिनी ई स्टेट बैंक ऑफ तिरुवन्नागोर। सो एक्स मैनेजर यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। सो 21 जुलाई 2025 की अपडेट है फ्रेंड्स टू द डिपार्टमेंट टू द सेक्रेटरी फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया Department of Financial Services। So can the banks renege on their promise to update the pension? So ये है यहाँ पे टाइटल। So I request you to kindly permit to bring the following to your kind consideration in relation to the non-updating of pension in the banks under your control. So Regulation 35(1) of DPR 1995 notified by you on 20th September 1995 in the Gazette of India stood as so in respect of employees who retired between the first day of January 1986 but before the 31st day of October 1987, basic pension and additional pension will be updated as per the formula given in Appendix 1. So the regulation was amended in 2003. Basic pension and additional pension wherever applicable shall be updated as per the formulae given in Appendix 1. So if updating of pension was not intended under Pension Regulations 1995, why did the IBA that author the pension regulations and the Department of Financial Services that gave previous sanction to them by following the due procedure in law under section 19(1) and 19(4) of the Banking Companies Transfer and Undertaking 1970 Act. So mentioning about the updating in the initial provision and why did they afterward amend the regulation, giving emphasis to the updating by importing the phrase wherever applicable and why substituting the word will be updated with the word shall be updated. So in spite of Regulation 35(1) making crystal clear that pension has to be updated in tune with the revision of pay scales arising through BPS settlement implemented from time to time, the IB architect of pension regulation filed a false affidavit on 22nd of August 2022 affirming that the pension regulation of banks do not have a provision for updating pension in SLP 5561 of 2016. So now civil appeal number 7993 of 2023. So in special leave petition versus State of Rajasthan and others versus OP Gupta, the Honorable Supreme Court ruled on 19th of September 2022 that it is settled law that when financial rules framed, so ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है फ्रेंड्स, इसको देखेंगे अभी हम। फाइनेंशियल रूल्स फ्रेम्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट सच as pension rules are capable of more interpretations than one. So the court should lean toward the interpretation which goes in favor of the employees. तो जो भी interpretation इन पर फेवर करेगा तो उसको ही यहाँ पे माना जाएगा। So State of Rajasthan versus Mahindranath Sharma ji on 1st July 20 2015, the consolidated pension, that is treated as basic pension, as on 1st September 2006 or pre 1st September 2006, pensioners should not be lower than 50% of sum of minimum pay of the post in the running pay band plus grade pay introduced. सो जो पे बैंड चल रहा है उसकी 50% से नीचे पेंशन नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो with effect from 1st of September 2006, so corresponding to the pre-revised pay scales of the post from which pensioner had retired, subject to the condition that the existing provision in the rules governing qualifying service for grant of pension and minimum pension shall continue to be operative. So the non-revision of pension in the banks is in defiance of the above law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court, which is applicable to the whole of the nation. So the IBA, DFS and the banks cannot plead ignorance of law and deny updating of the pension. So friends, you can see here the clause 6 of the settlement 1993 agrees that dearness relief to the pensioners will be granted at such rates as may be determined from time to time with the dearness allowance formula in operation in the Reserve Bank of India. So provisions will be made by a scheme to be negotiated and settled between the parties to this settlement by 31st December 1993 for applicability, qualifying service, amount of pension, payment of pension, commutation, family pension are on the lines जो कि रिज़र्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में है. सो वो सेम होगी जैसा रिज़र्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में चल रहा है दोस्तों. सो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट है, काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट जो पॉइंट्स हैं वो यहाँ पे उठाए गए हैं एंड दे आर क्लियरली इन फेवर ऑफ द पेंशनर्स एंड द होल मैटर हैज़ बीन रिटन टू द Department of Financial Services Secretary. The DFS updated the pension in Reserve Bank of India on 1st March 2019 by various factors depending upon the date of retirement of employees, while sanction dated 1st 5th March 2019, making it obligatory on its path to update the pension in the public sector banks, also with the retrospective effects. So lest the non-revision of pension shall be in gross breach of the settlement dated 29th October 1993. So as an year back, DFS, while its letter dated 26th of Feb 2018, declined the updating of pension in RBI, recommended by it on the ludicrous ground that any change in the manner of calculating pension is likely to result in similar demands in public sector banks and financial institutions. So thus affirming that if pension is updated in RBI, pension in public sector banks will also be अपडेटेड, तो वो भी कंटिन्यूसली अपडेट होनी चाहिए. सो फ्रेंड्स काफ़ी लेंथी है थोड़ा सा. सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द मोस्ट important points here. So you can see the official notifications here. So please make sure to share this update and please subscribe to the channel friends for the latest banking, pension and updates.